What if I told you that you could start making money online using Pinterest, without a website, without products, and without showing your face? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI tools in Pinterest to create passive income step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly way to earn money online without spending a dime, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through a simple method using Pinterest combined with AI tools to promote affiliate products and make money on autopilot. Make sure to watch till the end, as I am going to show you a bonus strategy to 10x your results. I'll even show you how to automate the entire process, how the strategy works. Let's start with the big picture. You'll be creating viral Pinterest pins that promote affiliate products. When someone clicks your pin and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Pinterest works like a visual search engine, where people come looking for ideas and solutions. We're going to use AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva to speed up content creation and save you hours of time. You don't need a website or to show your face. All you need is a free Pinterest account, an affiliate product, and simple AI tools to create viral pins. Step 1. Choose a niche and affiliate product first. Go to an affiliate network like ClickBank Digistore24, Amazon Associates. Choose a niche that's popular on Pinterest, like fitness, home decor, self-improvement, or online business, for example. Find a digital product in the weight loss niche. Grab your unique affiliate link for that product. This is the link you'll promote on Pinterest to earn commissions. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create titles and descriptions next. We'll use ChatGPT to generate compelling headlines and descriptions for your pins. Open ChatGPT and type, "Write 5 viral Pinterest titles for a weight loss product targeting women." Also ask, "Write a short and curiosity-driven Pinterest pin description for a digital weight loss guide." ChatGPT will give you catchy options that you can copy and paste into your pin design and Pinterest post. Step 3. Design your pin with Canva or Kittl. Now it's time to make your pin. Head over to Canva or Kittl and select a Pinterest template. Choose a vertical layout. Pinterest recommends a 1000 by 1500 pixel design. Add an eye-catching image, bright colors, and one of the AI-generated headlines. For example, "Drop 10 pounds fast, no gym needed." Make the text bold and easy to read on mobile. You can also add a click to learn more button graphic to increase engagement. Step 4. Post your pin and add your affiliate link. Now upload your pin to Pinterest. Choose a keyword-rich title and paste the AI-generated description. Add relevant hashtags, like hashtag weight loss, hashtag health tips, hashtag fitness journey. Paste your affiliate link in the destination link section. Make sure your pin links directly to the product or a simple bridge page if needed. Create a board like fitness tips for women and post your pin to it. Now your pin is live and can start driving traffic for you 24/7. Step 5 is optional. Automate with a scheduler. Want to scale faster? Use Tailwind or Pinterest's built-in scheduler to plan and post pins automatically. Create 5 to 10 pins in one sitting and schedule them over a few days or weeks. This lets you grow your traffic while spending less time managing content. Bonus. Repurpose your AI content. Here's a bonus tip to multiply your results. Take the same content and turn it into a short YouTube video or AI blog post. Use tools like Pictory to turn text into video, or ChatGPT to write a blog post. More content means more chances to earn commissions. And since it's all powered by AI, you can do this without burning out if you made it this far. You're already ahead of 90% of people who never take action. Check out the free Pinterest checklist, doc in the description. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to try this Pinterest AI side hustle. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more AI-powered income tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.